If you've taken 500 practice questions and you're still stuck around 68%, I need you to hear this. The practice tests aren't the problem. How you're using them is. I'm MJ Kim, and I'm about to tell you the 6 mistakes that are keeping you stuck. Stick around because number 4 is the one almost everybody skips. Practice tests are a diagnostic tool, not a warm-up. If you can't tell me what topic you missed most on your last test, you're not studying. You're just spinning the wheel and hoping. 1. You're memorizing answers, not concepts. You get a question wrong, you learn that answer, you get it right next time. Great. Then the real exam rephrases it and you're guessing again. Fix. Rewrite the rule in your own words and invent a new scenario for it. If you can't, you don't actually know it. 2. You're not reviewing your wrong answers. This is the big one. A score doesn't teach you anything, the review does. Spend twice as long reviewing a test as you spent taking it. 3. You're studying whenever you have time. That's not a schedule, that's a hope. Same time, every day. 45 focused minutes will beat 3 scattered hours every time. 4. You're cherry-picking the topics you're already good at. 50 questions on agency because it feels great, and you're avoiding legal descriptions because it's confusing. The exam doesn't care what you're good at. It tests everything. Rank your weak spots and spend 80% of your time there. 5. You're practicing on the couch with the TV on and walking into a silent test center with a strict timer. Different environment, different result. Once a week, take a full test under real exam conditions. Desk, timer, phone off. 6. You're studying generic national content when your state tests its own rules. Oregon tests property tax math. Most national courses skip entirely. If your questions don't match your state's actual content outline, you're preparing for the wrong exam. Here's the thing, most people who fail weren't lazy. They were working hard at the wrong things. And look, I'm going to be straight with you. The Real Estate License Professor is built to fix every one of these 6 problems automatically. It tracks your wrong answers, it prioritizes your weak topics, it gives you real exam conditions, and it's actually state-specific, not a national course with your state stapled to the back. But if you want to fix it yourself first, here's your homework before your next practice test. Pick a fixed time, tomorrow, no exceptions. Take the test under real conditions. Review every wrong answer and write 1 sentence explaining the miss. Then drill only your weakest topic. Do that for 7 days and watch your score move. You're closer than you think. Just study smarter or let us do it for you. Check the link below and I'll see you in the next video.